Hey guys, thank you so much for returning back to the channel Baba Tutorials. So, since you guys have already seen in the thumbnail that today we are going to talk about the Excel formula troubleshooting, that while we are using the formula in the Excel tab to bring the values, instead of bringing the values, it is just keep on bringing this Excel formula, which we do not want it because we need the results like this. So how we can fix it? Let's quickly talk about it because if you would have typed the formula, it should have brought the results here. So let's see. First, you need to select this entire row like this and then format cells. So how you can open the format cells? You can hit Control and then number one on your screen. I mean on your keyboard, which has the exclamation mark. It will open a dialog box like this. Or I'll show you on the screen what you can do. You can select the entire row and then click on this format cells option, then click on general. From text, earlier it was into the text section, right? The text bar it was, but now we have converted into general again. See, it is text right now. I'll click on general. Now it's general. So I'm gonna use the same formula again and see if that brings some results. I take common value as employee ID. Here also I'll take common value as employee ID and then the incentives amount that we need to see. Let's match. Perfect. So the numbers looks exactly the same. That means we have solved the problem. I hope you like the video. If you do and it does help you, please click on like button and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. If you have any questions, please put down in the comment box. Have a great day. Take care.